Today we are going to show the unpacking of Vevor Ultrasonic Cleaner, which we bought from the Vevor website. So let's get started. It comes in a nice packaging, it's pretty compact. You have the user manual here on how to use it. It comes with a small cleaning basket with a power adapter and timers for various type of items to be cleaned. Comes in a nice plastic bag. Can be very useful to clean things like glasses. And this is the tray. It's pretty small, the tray. It seems to be strong. And it comes with a power adapter. The power point is at the back. And the power adapter cable may be roughly around 1 meter or so. Well, it's more than 1 meter. It should be like 1.5 meter, I would say. So once the power is switched on, you add some water to this tank and ensure that you never go beyond the max limit here. And we try to put in two things. One of the dirty sunglasses I've been using for a long time, and oxidized metal piece. Let's see if this gets cleaned as well. So alright. So these are the 7 modes. This is the glasses mode, and then you have jewelry, watch, and some other ones, which is like 6 minutes of runtime. Watch is around 5 minutes, jewelry around 4 minutes, and glasses is 3 minutes. So we'll do the 3 minute one and give it a go. So noise, as you can hear, it's not that loud but can be a bit annoying. And I might just open the lid to show you what's happening inside. See the dirt particles come off, and it has nearly 2.5 minutes more to go. The cycle has finished. Let's have a look at how the ultrasonic cleaner has performed. The glasses look pretty clean from what it was before, and you see all the dirt here. So I'm pretty happy with this one, the way the glasses has been cleaned. If you look at the around the nose, it's pretty clean. And with this copper metal piece, the oxidization has come off. Maybe I need to put it a bit more longer and run it for maybe 4 or 5 minutes. The ultrasonic did a reasonable job cleaning this one inside out, and also the glasses, done a fairly good job cleaning around the nose area and also the hard to reach spots. But one thing I observed on the lenses is like this sunglasses have some protective layer, and I can see some small dots. Looks like the protective layer has come off. But saying that, this sunglasses is pretty old. In short, if you're expecting this to do cleaning of all the items, it won't work. It does well for some items wherein you need to clean nooks and corners which are hard to reach. But if you expect everything to be sparkly clean, that won't happen with that. So match up your expectations with that and decide whether you want to go with it. It does a good job with sunglasses and this metal, like I said. That's it from me for today. Have a nice day.